You speak confidentially. You speak House of Modern English.
Studying engages the knowledge of Allah, who is Rahman and Rahim, and athletics, my greatest friend, my all teacher, success, Shaka. So, if I want today's topic, which is named Mr. Trick Mami, the one who dodges their will wish, wisher to
the one who dodges their well-wisher will not find the peace of heart.
The one who dodges their will wisher, they will not be the host of peace of heart. So, if I talk about the actual meaning of this topic, so nowadays, if I talk about main reason that the person who are raising God, they don't see the wish of, they don't see to find the visit of and the wish of heart. So, if I talk about the person who are already dodging some person, so how can they become something well, and how can they become something well? The first thing is that I learned from my master. So, always be honest with duty, and always be honest with work, and don't you deceive anyone. So, you will always champion, you will always be champion, and you will always be remain fit in your life. Nowadays the men is not there, the boys and the students and the women they are saying, my life is more relaxed, my life I am now comfortable and like this. So because they don't see about yourself, what I am doing inside, what I am doing inside of me, what my action is there. I am doing job, I am doing some work, I am working with honesty, I am honest with my honor, I am honest with my master. When you are honest with someone, when you are honest with your duty by the heart, and you are doing hard work by the heart, when you are doing something by the heart, and see when your heart will clean, then everything will be clean. So the main thing is that they first make your study on, don't delete anyone. When they have to give this is a dead person, when they are guarding you, so you should leave this something. When they are give receive you, but ignore them. Always purpose to example, they are making you some high level in your life, like from martial art parent, nobody can make a come that you will make in your life, and by your dream, by your life, we have to follow all your 100% your parents and master, for your life to become something in your life. For example, if you by the heart and so you follow, so then and nobody will come to face you, and nobody will come to raise the hand in front of you. So you will be champagne, raised like a light, raised like a sun, raised like a sun in the world. Nobody can raise it in front of you, and nobody can stand in front of you. This one.
So the boy is saying as much lecture to all of us about the honesty, about the hard work and the etc. thing. So I want to tell you what the Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan did. He was the honest to their country. He was not doing the goals with their well-wisher. He was the person who was the truth with the well-wisher. But at the end, what he got? He gave us an atomic bomb. But what we did from them, the main thing is not that we are honest from them. The main thing is that we are honest from them, and we are giving a sacrifice. What we are doing for them, the main thing is that they are doing something for us or not. They are giving us to something or not. If I talk about the second one, the Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, he was the person who made unite to all over the Islamic countries, who want to make the Bank of Islamic, who want to throw the IMF here and there, which IMF making us nowadays a slave. He want to give a defeat to them, and he want to make the Islamic Bank in all over the country. But what we did to him, we give an execution to him. The main thing is not that to become the honest from them. The main thing is that from whom we are becoming the honest from.
He said, giving up on Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan, he does something or he's honest for the country, and he does something for atomic power and also so man first you said me, Dr. Abdul Qadir Khan do something for you. This is the mistake of it, and don't think you're going to damn. Why he asking you this type of question from me? So you should ask from them who give power and who make them country develop. And I'm not head power that I'm available. So if I have, so I will always choose a person who make me dumb and become head of. So I always example by my master I become dumb, and I will always follow till my last week, and he nourished me till good day my son at this song.
Come on!
Okay, the boy was over here and he was saying, I will get the chance, I will work for it, I will do this, I will do that, when I will get the chance, when I will be able to do that. Man, the reality is not that you are like you think, right? I will get the chance, that you have to bring your own chance and you have to make for you chance. You did not have to wait for a chance really. Now I will get the chance. chance, then I will work for my country. That are all the leaders. They did not say, I am waiting for the chance. In my life, I did not listen from any one legend. I did not listen from any champion. They said to their country, they said to someone, I was waiting for the chance to become the champion. They said, really, I have waited my own chance by my own self to work for me, to work for my country, to work for like my nation. On that time, the words were said, and you say, it is not that you will get the chance. That here, it's like in the country which is undeveloped, that country cannot give you chance. In our country, that there are as many, like people are there, they are having the talent. We are wasting the same talent. In our own reality, I should tell you, there are as many talent we are wasting by our own self. Why? Our mindset is not as much high level to use our leg, to use our hand to work on it. Like now in our own reality, there are as many big footballers. They played Manila as good. Still, we are not ready to support them. They said we are not here to wait for the chance. We are here to create our own chance, to build our country and to build our own land.
Louder!
Okay, so why was it that the first you have to take out your chance and you have to make it not don't give a person so many, but I on myself what I am doing here. So first thing and the second thing, I have been never work for this country which don't give value to me. If I talk about Dr. Khan and like these people like this, they don't buy them for the country, but your nation don't give value to them. Our nation don't give us so much. Why I do work for this service? People they don't give value to me and they don't lack the loyalty and honesty. So why I should know me? Why I have to work for the person? We are wanting me. They want me to become and they are hunt to me to become to hunt me like the second year they are saying the why are saying the already have more some experience, more some talent, but don't be miss their talent. So many is the mistake of you. Why are it is your question? But in your question there is your answer to solve.
Last question.
So yes, a player asked question from the boy, why you are not raising the voice? The guy said, it's not my work. Listen, boy, if you talk about the humanity, you can raise voice for anyone, but for getting rights, power is not important. For getting rights, your conscience must be alive. Your faith must be. You must have faith for your rights. If you don't have a faith, if your heart is not clean, so you can never ever raise the voice. For getting rights, power is not important. And second thing you are saying about a presentation, like to be honest, to work with honesty. I agree from this thing. I agree, but how? It's easy to be honest. It's too much hard to be honest with the person. How? Let me tell you. When you ask one question from yourself, what I'm doing with my life and where I'm staying, why was my life? When you know about your past and your entire all things, then you can take decision and then your heart will accept. If you are not asking questions from yourself, then how is possible you will do something? And last thing you said, I don't have as much power to raise the voice for these people. You said this thing because I have that power to raise only for my parents, for my master. If I don't myself, I have ability. I have believe myself. The belief which can, because of which I can tell to this entire world. Why? Because I know I am a human. I am a super creature, and I can do any kind of thing. And you are saying no, I don't have that much power. You don't have that much mind.
Standing asking the question from me that you are saying but being honest, everybody is saying you are right. If I right, I say so you are asking question from me. First thing is that, and second and then if you are saying that you have to be honest and your heart clean, first heart clean. So in presentation I say first you have to clean your heart, then everything will be clear. Second thing, everybody is saying that I am honest, why I am honest. So how can they bring in that action? So first by home they are become a follower, so you are automatically become honest.